In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Splitwise account. Splitwise is a really handy tool for tracking shared expenses with friends, family, or roommates. Whether you're splitting rent, a vacation, or just everyday bills, having an account makes it much easier to keep everything organized and clear. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple process of creating your account from scratch. First, open your web browser on your computer, tablet, or phone, and go to the Splitwise website. In the address bar at the top of your browser, type in secure.splitwise.com and press enter. This will take you directly to Splitwise's secure login and sign up page. Give it a moment to load and you should see options to either log in if you already have an account or sign up if you're new. Since we're creating a new account, look for the section that lets you sign up. You'll usually see fields where you can enter your basic details like your name, your email address, and a password. Take a moment to type in each of these carefully. Use an email address that you check regularly, because Splitwise may send you notifications and confirmations there. For your password, choose something strong and unique with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Once your details are filled in and you've double-checked that everything is correct, look for the button that says something like "Sign me up" and click it. This tells Splitwise to create your new account using the information you just entered. If the site asks you to accept terms or privacy policies, make sure to quickly review those and agree so you can move forward. If you prefer a quicker option and don't want to create a separate password, you can sign up using your Google account instead. On the same page, find the button that mentions Google. Click that, and a new window will pop up asking you to choose your Google account and give Splitwise permission to connect. Once you confirm, Splitwise will automatically create your account based on your Google details, and you'll be logged in right away. After this, you'll be ready to start using Splitwise to add friends, create groups, and track shared expenses without any confusion. That's all it takes to create a Splitwise account.